Essential elements perform several functions. Essential elements participate in various metabolic processes in the plant cell, such as permeability of cell membrane, maintenance of osmotic concentration of cell sap, electron transport system, buffering action, enzyme activity, and act as a major constituent of macromolecules and coenzymes. तो इसेंशियल एलिमेंट जो होते हैं वो बहुत सारे काम करते हैं प्लांट में, चाहे वो सेल मेम्ब्रेन को परमेबल करना हो और चाहे ऑस्मोसिस को, वाटर में पीएच को मेंटेन करना हो, ये सारे काम करते हैं. तो दे आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू ब्रॉड कैटेगरीज बेस्ड ऑन द क्वांटिटी इन विच दे आर रिक्वायर्ड बाय द प्लांट. Number 1 macronutrient and number 2 micronutrients. Now I'm talking about macronutrients elements. Macronutrients are those elements which are generally present in large amount in the plant tissue, that is in excess of 10 millimole per kg of dry matter. Example: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, potassium, calcium and magnesium. मतलब कॉन, CHON कॉन, PSKCAMG. सेकेंड जो होते हैं दे आर माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स. माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट और ट्रेस एलिमेंट आर दोज एलिमेंट विच आर नीडेड इन माइन्यूट क्वांटिटीज, दैट इज 0.1 mg per gram of dry matter. Example: boron, copper, iron, manganese, molybdenum, zinc, nickel and chlorine. Some plants also require trace of cobalt, selenium and silicon. Essential element can also be classified into 4 categories based on their diverse function as component of biomolecules and hence structural element of cell. Example: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. As component of energy related compounds. Example: phosphorus in ATP, magnesium in chlorophyll. As activator or inhibitor of enzymes. Example: magnesium ion is an activator of ribulose biphosphate carboxylase and phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. Zinc ion is an activator of alcohol dehydrogenase. Molybdenum activates nitrogenase. Element that maintain the osmotic potential of a cell. Example: potassium is involved in the opening and closing of stomata. Chlorine maintain the anion cation balance and the osmotic potential of the cell. Role of macro elements. नाइट्रोजन. तो अब मैक्रो एलिमेंट्स के क्या रोल हैं उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. पहला है नाइट्रोजन. इट इज़ एब्जॉर्ब्ड एज नाइट्रेट NO3 माइनस और NO2 माइनस एंड NH4 प्लस आयन अमोनियम आयन. It is a major constituent of amino acid, protein, nucleic acid, vitamin etc. And as a structural element it is needed for by मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू. तो ये नाइट्रोजन का रोल था. अब देखते हैं सल्फर का क्या रोल है. सल्फर इज ऑब्टेन्ड एज सल्फेट मीन्स SO4 2 माइनस आयन. इट इज़ अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ अमीनो एसिड मीथेन एंड सिस्टीडीन. It forms part of coenzyme like ferredoxin and coenzyme A. Sulfur is an important component of vitamin, thiamine and biotin. Next one is phosphorus. Phosphorus is absorbed by plant in the form of phosphate ions either as H2PO4 minus or HPO4 3 minus. Phosphorus is a constituent of nucleotides and nucleic acid. Phosphorus is present in cell membrane as phospholipid. Phosphorus is involved in phosphorylation reaction and energy metabolism as ATP. Phosphorus is also a part of certain proteins. Now I am talking about potassium. Potassium is taken as potassium ion K+. It is more abundant in meristematic tissue like buds, root tips and young leaves. Potassium determines the anion cation balance in cell. Potassium controls the opening and closing of stomata. Potassium maintains turgidity, that is osmotic balance of cell. Potassium activates a number of enzymes. Potassium is also involved in protein synthesis. Next one is magnesium. Magnesium is absorbed as magnesium ion by plants. Magnesium is a constituent of chlorophyll, forms the central atom of porphyrin ring. Magnesium maintains the ribosome structure for protein synthesis. Magnesium activates the enzyme of respiration and photosynthesis. Magnesium is also involved in the synthesis of DNA and RNA. Next one is calcium. Calcium is obtained as calcium ion from the soil. Calcium is necessary for selective permeability of cell membrane. Calcium occurs as calcium pactate in the middle lamella of cell wall, hence it is necessary for cell enlargement. So calcium is used in the formation of mitotic spindle during cell division, hence is required in the meristematic and differentiating tissue, that is root apex and shoot apex. Calcium activates certain enzyme in the metabolism. Now I am talking about main deficiency symptom. क्लोरोसिस का मतलब लॉस ऑफ क्लोरोफिल लीडिंग टू येलोइंग ऑफ लीव्स, पत्तियां पीली पड़ जाती हैं. दिस इज कॉज बाय द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ एलिमेंट सोडियम, पोटेशियम, मैग्नीशियम, सल्फर, आयरन, मैग्नीज, जिंक एंड मॉलिबेडनम. सेकेंड वन इज नेक्रोसिस, डेथ और टिश्यू, पर्टिकुलरली लीफ टिश्यू जिसमें ब्राउन स्पॉट पड़ जाते हैं. इट इज कॉज बाय द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ एलिमेंट लाइक कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, कॉपर एंड पोटेशियम. एंड थर्ड वन इज इनहिबिशन ऑफ सेल डिवीजन, सेल डिवीजन रुक जाता है, caused by the deficiency of element sodium, potassium, sulfur and molybdenum. Now I am talking about role of microelements. इसमें कौन कौन आते हैं? आयरन, कॉपर, बोरॉन, जिंक, मैग्नीज, मोलिबेडनम और क्लोरीन. तो आयरन की बात करते हैं. आयरन इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड मेनली इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फेरिक आयन, दैट इज Fe3+. Iron is an important constituent of cytochrome and ferredoxin involved in the electron transport system in respiration. Iron activate catalase. Iron is involved in the synthesis of chlorophyll. Second one is copper. Copper is absorbed as a cupric ion, Cu2+. Copper is associated with certain enzyme involved in the redox reaction. Copper is essential for the overall metabolism. Next one is boron. Boron is absorbed as a borate, Bo3- or B4O72-. Boron is required for carbohydrate translocation as sugar borate. Boron is necessary for uptake and utilization of calcium ion. Boron is needed for pollen germination. Boron is involved in cell elongation and cell differentiation. Now I am talking about zinc. Zinc is obtained by plant as in zinc plus ion. It is necessary for the synthesis of oxygen. It activates many enzymes, especially carboxylase. Next one is manganese. Manganese is obtained by plant as manganese ion, Mn2+. Manganese has been defined function in splitting of water, पानी का breakdown, to release oxygen in photosynthesis. Manganese activate many enzymes involved in photosynthesis, nitrogen metabolism and respiration. Next one is molybdenum. Plant obtain molybdenum as a molybdate ion, MoO2-. It is a cofactor for enzyme nitrate reductase. It is also necessary for nitrogenase. And next one is chlorine. Chlorine is taken in the form of chloride ion. Along with sodium and potassium ion, it determines the anion-cation balance in cell and determines the solute concentration. It is necessary for photolysis of water in photosynthesis. It may be required for cell division in leaves and roots. Deficiency symptom. An element is said to be deficient if it is present below in critical concentration. Now I am talking about toxicity of micronutrients. Micronutrients or trace elements are needed in very small amount by the plant, while their moderate decrease causes the deficiency symptoms, a moderate increase causing toxicity. Any mineral ion concentration in tissue that reduces the dry weight of tissue by about 10% is considered toxic. Such critical conditions vary widely among
For
different
example,
micronutrients.
manganese
Many a
toxicity
times excess of an element
in
may
the
inhibit
appearance of
the
brown
uptake
spot
of other
by
elements.
chlorotic veins.
For example, the
which is
nitrogen
deficiency
in
of
manganese,
iron,
toxicity
magnesium and
complete with
calcium.
iron and magnesium for